Welcome to this video on Learning by Doing. In this video, we will take you through what your journey of the course will look like. A Quantra course is designed in a manner that helps you learn incrementally. We start with the basic and essential core topics and then gradually move on to practical implementation and strategies. This way, the learning curve is not too steep, and even if you are new to the subject, you will be able to grasp things well. For example, to trade options volatility, one of the key concepts that you need to understand is volatility skew. You can see that this is covered in the initial sections itself. Firstly, we will start by understanding what volatility skew is, why it is shaped the way it is, how it affects your trades, and finally how you can trade based on volatility skew. All of this is explained across multiple bite-sized videos, making it easy to understand and remember. After every video, you'll see a couple of MCQs. This will help you verify your understanding. In addition, after every few sections, you'll also find assessment tests that test your knowledge on learnings from multiple sections. Each of these assessment tests is designed to help you achieve at least one learning goal. Okay, so now you've learned the core concept and verified your understanding with the help of MCQs. The next step would be practical implementation. How do you use this information and create a trading strategy around it? This is explained with the help of Python notebooks. If you enroll in a Quantra course, you don't need to install Python locally, you can run the preloaded code on the Quantra platform. Here you will see the end-to-end implementation of the trading strategy, right from getting the data, carrying out the necessary calculations, generating signals based on entry and exit rules, and finally backtesting and analyzing the performance of your strategy. The notebooks are rich in content. As you can see, the explanation of the code and the rationale behind the strategies are mentioned right here in the markdowns. You can tweak the code to see changes in the output. If you prefer running the code on your local machine, you can also download the notebook along with all data files and codes from the course's last section. Since this is a preloaded code, the learning is somewhat passive. At Quantra, we emphasize learning by doing. After the notebooks, you'll find interactive exercises. All you have to do is follow instructions and complete the partially provided code. Multiple hints are available, and you can view the solution if needed. In addition to backtesting using Python, Quantra courses have a section on live trading. Here you will find a ready template that can be used for backtesting and live trading. In the end, the goal is for you to gain the ability to implement options volatility trading strategies, all by yourself. To emphasize more on the learn by doing element, we have also added capstone projects in the course, where you'll apply the learnings of this course to solve a real-world problem statement. That's all for this video.